Hi, I'm Joachim for Statistics Globe, and in this video I'll explain how to add and subtract month and years from a date object using the R programming language. In the video I'm going to show you several examples, and all of these examples are based on the example date that we can create with line 2 of the code. So if you run this line of code, you can see at the top right of RStudio that a new date object appears, which is called myDate. And we can also print this date object to the RStudio console by running line 3 of the code. And then you can see at the bottom that our date is the 1st of October 2022. And this is very important. We have created our date with the as.Date function. And for that reason, the class of our date is the date class, as you can see after running line 5 of the code. So if we want to add or subtract month and years from this date, then we can apply the functions of the lubridate package. And in order to use those functions, we first need to install and load the lubridate package, as you can see in lines 7 and 8. I have installed the package already, so for that reason I'm just going to load it, as you can see in line 8 of the code. And after running this line of code, we are able to use the functions of the lubridate package to subtract and add month and years to our date object. So in line 10 of the code, I'm using the month function and the %m plus percentage operator to add 1 month to our date object. And we can specify the number of months that we want to add to our date within the month function. So in this case, I'm specifying the value 1, and for that reason, I'm adding only 1 month to our date object. So if you run line 10 of the code, you can see at the bottom in the RStudio console that we have created another date, and this date is 1 month later than our input date. We can also add more than 1 month to our date object, as you can see in line 12. So in this case, we are adding 30 months to our date object, and the rest of the code is exactly the same as in the previous example in line 10. So if you run line 12 of the code, you can see that another date is returned, and this date is 30 months later than our input date. It is also possible to subtract month from our date object, as you can see in line 14. So in this line of code, I'm using the %m minus percentage operator and the month function to subtract month from our date. So if you run line 14 of the code, we have returned another date at the bottom in the RStudio console, which is 10 months earlier than our input date. So similar to when we are adding month to our date, we can specify the number of months that we want to subtract within the month function. Yeah, and similar to the month function, we also can apply the years function, as you can see in line 16 of the code, to add or subtract years from our date. And in line 16 of the code, I'm adding 5 years to our input date. So if you run this line of code, you can see that another date is appearing at the bottom in the RStudio console, which is showing the input date plus 5 years. And in line 18 of the code, I'm subtracting years from our date. So if you run this line of code, you can see that a date is returned, which is 5 years earlier than our input date. So in this tutorial, I have explained how to add and subtract month and years from our date object using the R programming language. However, in case you want to learn more on this topic, you could check out my homepage, statisticsglobe.com, because on the homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the R programming code that I have explained in this video in some more detail, and I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video. Furthermore, if you have liked the video, I would be very happy if you give me a thumbs up on the video, or if you leave me some positive feedback in the comments. And make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notifications in future when I'm releasing new videos to the channel. That's it for this video. Thanks a lot. See you next time.